Greetings from CMA DLS Shresthi, a Central Council member of the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India, and being served as a director commercial in a company and being an independent director of companies. I would like to say few benefits of being a CMA. CMA Cost and Management Accountant is a professional course, is highly recognized by the industry and the society. A CMA pass out are employed by multinational companies, manufacturing companies, mining companies, infrastructure companies, and many other companies like FMCGs. And CMAs are also employed in the service sector in information technology, ITES, banking, insurance, aviation, education, and health. Apart from that, CMAs are also employed as a professor in education field, and wherever the economic area is there, the CMAs are there. And CMAs are definitely a good fit with the job skills, with the matching with the Government of India's slogan, Make in India. CMAs are also into practicing area called practicing cost accountants, doing the cost audits in statutory area and also internal audit under Companies Act. CMAs are also in consultancy area, particularly in indirect taxation such as central excise, service tax and VAT. CMAs are serving in India as well as abroad. CMAs have the facility to have the concessional subjects to acquire the global qualification as per the agreement entered by the institute. Indian universities treat CMA course equivalent to other courses for admitting and pursuing a PhD course in their universities. Friends, CMAs are positioned well in the industry and economically strengthened so that they can take care of their families very well. With the benefits explained and some more benefits, and I welcome all of you into the fold of cost and management accountancy. Thank you very much.